Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve the expression 30 divided 1 by 3 times 3. So let's start with today's video solution. So many people take the wrong approach and reach that wrong solution because they solved it like this: 30 divide 3 times 3, that is 10 times 3, which is 30. This is not correct. This is the incorrect solution. So in this expression they have given 30 divide 3, 1 by 3 times 3. Here is the division sign. You can't do 30 multiply 1 and then divide 3. What you have to do, you have to follow the KCF rule where K stands for keep, that means keep the left hand digit. C stands for change the symbol division to multiplication, and F stands for flip. Flip 1 by 3 to 3 by 1 times 3. So this gives us 30 times 3 times 3. 30 times 3 is 90 times 3, which is equals to 270. So 270 is the correct solution of this expression. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.